Hey everybody, I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com. Today I'm talking with Paul about his 2015 Silverado LT. Paul's setup consists of the Moto Metal N970 gloss black machine wheel. 18x10 is the sizing, negative 24mm offset. Wrapped around that is the Milestar Patagonia ATR all-terrain tire. Sizing is 275/70R18, which comes to a 33x11-inch tire. And then the truck is riding on a MotoFab 3-inch front, 2-inch rear leveling kit. Paul, sounds like a mouthful, sir, but that's what you're working with. Why did you choose this setup?
To make the truck look good. I really like the Moto Metal wheels. I like the 18-inch size. The tire's got a little more meat to it, you know, looks a little more beefy. And this is only a 1500, so I got to set it up a little bit. You know, I had to go with the leveling kit, so I think it turned out nice. I really like the look.
Hey, it's a sharp truck, Paul, no doubt about it. Let's hone in on those wheels a little bit more. What about the styling or design of the wheel really made you land on those?
I have two favorite colors, and that's black and chrome. They were black and chrome, so that was good. I mean, the look is great.
Hey, I like it. Boom, that's easy. Well, let's talk about the sizing of the wheel. Now, that's an aggressive fitment, right? The way it kind of pokes out from the truck about that. What is it about that offset that you really wanted to go with your particular truck?
Again, for looks, it's got a pop. The 24mm offset seemed to be the way to go. I've never done that before. You know, it was the look, it was the stance.
So you like the look of it poking out a little bit, the aggressive stance there?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, there you go. Now let's get into the tires a little bit more. You got the Milestar Patagonia, a very popular tire here on the site. The 275/70R18, which again is 33x11 inches. If you would, sir, why'd you go with that particular size?
The reviews were good. I wanted good mileage out of the tire, so it was, I believe it's a 40 or a 50,000 mile rating on it. That was the definite plus, but it still has a good look to it.
Yeah, I would say so. The ATR is kind of like their all-terrain road tire, and because of that, how does it drive? Is it nice and quiet for you, pretty smooth?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it goes down the road quiet, no doubt. Highway miles, they're not a problem. I saw very little difference between stock and these upgraded tires.
Okay, good. Now, did you need to recalibrate, or did you recalibrate your truck at all speedo-wise? Did you get a tune on it to correct the speedo, or are you just kind of riding it as it is?
I'm going as it is, and I know it's about 3 miles an hour off.
All right, Paul, so let's talk suspension now, sticking with the Moto theme, right? You got the MotoFab 3-inch up front, 2-inch rear. Why did you go with this particular size lift or level?
You know, it's just a leveling kit. It was a good price through American Trucks, so it really wasn't a problem, and it was a quick upgrade. And the MotoFab quality was very good.
Nice. Now, did you do the wheel and tire setup first and then the lift, or did you do them both at the same time?
No, lift first. And then with the stock tires on, went in immediately and got an alignment done, and then ordered the tires and brought them in, and that took less than a week. With American Trucks, your ordering and delivery has always been very good.
I appreciate that, sir. It's always good to hear. Thank you very much for that. Did you have any rubbing issues even with your leveling kit on the truck?
You know what? When it's completely maxed out when you're turning, yes, there is a very, very small rub. I just don't turn it that hard, and it doesn't seem to be a real problem.
There you go. Rubs, but maybe not that bad, I guess. And I guess the million-dollar question is, are you happy with how it looks with the lift, the wheels, and tires?
Oh, most definitely. It's fun to drive. It looks good. Yes.
That's awesome, man. Now, it sounds like you're really happy, so I doubt you do, but is there anything you might change, Paul, or anything you do differently?
I do want to add upper arms on it, upper control arms, and go with an upgraded strut and whatnot. That's probably going to be my next upgrade. I haven't gotten to that yet, but I do want to add that.
All right, Paul, I tell you what, the truck looks great. The stance is absolutely perfect. I love it. Really sets the truck apart, and I'm happy to hear that you're very thrilled with how it looks and rides with those particular tires on it. So, Paul, thanks again for joining me today, sir. I really appreciate it. And again, the Moto Metal gloss black, 18x10, negative 24mm offset. The Milestar's on there, 275/70R18, which is a 33x11-inch tire. And that MotoFab leveling kit. Well done, Paul. Looks great.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it, sir. Guys, thanks so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed Paul's setup. And remember, for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.